got this garland at Hobby Lobby. It was $12.99, 50% off that, so $6.50. And you literally can just wrap it around. It's sort of like the loopy yarn that you find. And if you find loopy yarn like this, you can literally wrap it around the ring as well. I'm gonna show you how to do that first. Cut this little thing off. So with this one, I have these pins here and you can literally just pin it on. You can also hot glue one of the ends, but I think I'm just gonna pin it on for now. Just kind of pin it down. I think the pin comes out the other end, so let's just kind of pin it in place. You literally, it's kind of tedious. You have to pull it in and out. It's easier to do with yarn because the yarn's already wound up in a ball and you can pull it through the center. But literally, you just keep pulling it around. And I already tested this and it's a little too short for this. I needed about 1.5. But look how cute it looks. And then at the end, you can kind of put some decorations around.